and roll. So, tell me, Adam, it's been a week now since your son went missing. How are you bearing up? Can you manage a cheer for the camera?
What?
Oh, good, they've arrived. Listen to me, though. Now, before we get started, can you tell me which side is my better side? Is it this one, or is it this one?
Zoom in for a headshot. Confusion, anguish, matrimonial disquiet, I love it. And close up for the reaction shot.
Drake, what is this?
This deer is magpie from America's most feathered. We're doing the feature, and this will get us one up on the pelicans. Now, here is that picture you asked for. I'm afraid it is torn, though. But as you can see, we're still in very, very deep.
There have been some rumors from your belief. Do you believe your son was abducted, or is it possible that he ran away to escape his persecutors?
What are you saying?
That's good, I'll buy that. Defensive yet emotional, just a hint of nigger. I'm feeling up here.
Why can't you just leave us alone?
Nice, so very nice. Feisty self.
Does no one care what I think?
Sorry, sir. Coming to the end of transmission. I'm going to leave the final word of the item, just in case your son is out there watching. But for now, this is Magpie from America's Most Feathered, saying if you see anything suspicious from leaving magpies to lost darklings, the chicks on the switchboard are ready to take your call. All right, Ida, it's all yours.
Don't start bad.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. Everyone may remind me, but it's your voice that I hear. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Every day will seem to be more empty than everywhere the sun won't show. A shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
But Ida, you can't just leave me with the other four.
I have to find him.
Beloved, you're wasting your time. You know you are. And apart from it, it's dangerous to go wandering off beyond the churchyard at this time of year.
I won't be satisfied until I know the truth. Try to understand, dear. A mother knows.
Here, you'd better take the cell phone.
Every moment seems long. Every hour less a day. Every tear a mother cries is a dream